Product Recommendation Wizard. We are happy to announce the launch of our new Product Recommendation Wizard in the catalog. This tool is designed to provide targeted information to support your project or use case. You can access the Recommendation Wizard from the landing page or from within the catalog by clicking the link. Let's explore how the Recommendation Wizard works. The wizard is built around the project lifecycle to provide resources for every phase of your project. The wizard will ask a few simple, optional questions to make it easy for you to find what you're looking for. In the first step, we can provide information about the sector that we are working in. Products in the catalog are linked to many sectors such as health, education, agriculture, finance, and climate. You can also select a subsector that applies. The wizard can also connect with information related to a specific SDG. Select an SDG that your project is designed to address. The catalog has a customizable tagging system. In the second step, you can select any tags that are applicable, which can help locate resources more easily. We can also specify the country context that we are working in. The catalog will provide information on any similar projects in that country. Finally, the wizard asks about common building blocks that may be needed, such as data collection or sending and receiving payments. Once you have answered these questions, the catalog will return a list of resources and information that are relevant for your project. Principles of digital development, similar projects, products, use cases, information about building blocks, other resources developed by Dial, mobile network aggregators that can help provide mobile services. We hope this new wizard provides an easy way for users like you to find relevant information for their work.